Hi guys, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a butterfly. I'll show you how quick and easy it is. So let's begin. Let's draw first the head, great, and then the eyes. There we go, like so, and the other eye. Perfect. It doesn't have to be exactly the same size, so don't worry much about that. And we have a little smile. Good. Then the neck, the first part of the body, and then the lower body. There we go. Good. Now we can draw the legs. You can just follow along like this. Yeah, so very easy, quick and easy. And maybe the other leg as well. And we go down like this. And again a round little foot down there. Good. And the arms. Let's do the arms together. And you can draw a ball there for the hand. And this one as well. Perfect. Round like that. You see, very easy. So what can we do? Maybe we can draw some little buttons to make it look a little bit more interesting. And one antenna, the other antenna, and now we have to draw the wings. So the wings has to be pretty big. So here we go. Easy wings like this. Good. And then the other one, big and round like that. And then a smaller wing. There we go. And this one as well. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe this butterfly is at an angle. So then what we can do is we can maybe draw a straight line like so, and maybe another line like there. Great. And maybe out of there we can draw another line and another line with a curve like that, just to bring in some interest, so it looks a bit more interesting. There we go. And here let's make two circles. Well, I don't know why I didn't see this on a butterfly, but I think it looks great. Now it's time to color it in. So let's take our crayons. First color we're going to use purple. I think purple looks nice on a butterfly. What do you think? I wonder, can you name how many different colors we get in butterfly wings? Can you think of some? There's purple. Maybe from purple we go a little bit lighter, so let's take blue, and we can take a light blue color. Oh, I think this looks great. What do you think? I think it looks perfect. So there's blue, and from blue I think let's go to green. And you can use any colors you want. You don't have to follow me precisely. So if you like different colors, use them. Because drawing is something you should not have rules to. You can choose the colors you want. Use the colors that you like the most. Good. So there we go. Almost done with my wing. Are you done as well? Alright, so sorry about that. Let's put it back. Okay. Next, which color now? I think let's use orange. And orange can maybe go in the lower part of the wing, maybe here. I think that would be quite perfect. What do you think? Orange there. And here. There we go. We have orange and then red. Maybe let's make it two red spots here and there. Great. And now I think let's use this color for the face. But again, you can use any color you want. And the arms, there we go. And this leg, perfect, good. And then I might use a little bit of yellow for the body. Well, I've never seen a yellow butterfly with a yellow body, but there's always a first time. So there we go. And maybe we can put a little bit of color in here again, maybe a orange, just to try to bring in some shade in our butterfly, to make it a little bit more interesting. There we go. Well, yeah, there's our butterfly. And I think let's do red, 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 and red. I think that little butterfly looks great. What do you think? If you enjoyed drawing with me, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you for the next drawing session.